Hello, so I try to fix this mesh here. So first I try a voxel remesh. So what happens when I remesh the whole thing? Yeah. Let's see if we can fix it. So I use masking and I mask the border here. So like this. And there are different ways I think to fix such a mesh here. But I tried before a few other things to fix this. Yeah, like close holes, and there are other options here in the MISC. You can try to force manifold and close holes, and yeah, but it doesn't help really. So I try another way. So here I choose split tool, none, and I split the mesh here, split, and I delete this mesh. So now, yeah, I try here maybe to separate the meshes and see what I get. So let's see solo view. I guess we need this one, and this one, this meshes we can delete. So then I check again, it's possible to separate. Could not separate, okay. So maybe I try then to close holes. So it closes everything here. Yeah, but I only want the outer mesh here. Okay, let's see if we can use the hide tool. And so tab, okay, it's connected. Okay, I tried like this. So I try cell mask and I lasso. No, I go back and I use front vertex setting. So let's see what we get. Okay. So and now I mask the rest. So like this here. And for this here I use unmask. Sorry. Oops. So maybe let's I extract now the mask with setting none and extract. So let's see what I get. So this looks okay, but here you see inside there's also a mesh problem here. So I don't know exactly what it is. So there's a other mesh here. So there's something inside. So maybe it's possible to separate again. So let's see this one here. and check X-ray. Now it looks better. So now this mesh looks okay. I guess this is the mesh we need. Delete. So now we come close to the that we can fix the whole thing. Okay. So, and then I use here cell mask, and I mask a few parts I don't want that changes. So, and now I use here operations menu and I smooth the border. So now it looks nice. Sorry, not extract, I clear the mask. So, and then I use the hide tool and delete so that it looks like this. And then I cell mask again here, this one. And I smooth it. No, inflate is not okay. So like this here. Clear all. Okay, and maybe smooth the border a little bit. Here I smooth it a little bit more. And now it's time to quad remesh. So maybe, yeah, I test this. So this is nice. But here's also a problem. So you see here is a mesh problem here. So I'm not sure. Okay. So yeah, let's see if what helps. So maybe let's mask this thing and extract a shell. Yeah, you see here's something wrong, and I think this is a mask problem. So I have to clear, or here's a mask, so I mask this thing and I clear. And yeah, here's a problem here. Here is something wrong. Not even smoothing works. Okay, let's try it like this here. I say close holes. And then I try a voxel remesh. So now let's check smoothing here. Yeah, now smoothing works. Okay. And then I try again, I hide. So I delete everything. So now I think it's okay. So let's try a little bit of smoothing. Quad remesh. Let's see what happens. And now I think it's okay. So here okay, I think this is the final version. So, and then I mask this here and give it a shell. No, sorry. I want to smooth this a little bit. Here, the eye. Okay, and now mask and extractor shell. So I go in the negative direction, so inside shell. So now when we check the X-ray, everything looks fine. So no mesh overlappings, and yeah. So that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.